Example, we've got a store sold a total of 125 car stereo systems and speakers in 1 week. The stereo systems sold for $104.95. Speakers sold for $18.95. The sales from these two items totaled $6,926.75. We want to know how many of each item were sold. So right away, I know what I'm going to need to know. I need to know the number of car stereos sold, and I need to know the number of speakers sold. So I've got two different pieces of information here. I know the total number of things sold was 125, so I know the number of stereos plus the number of speakers will equal 125. And then I also know that the total sales were $6,926.75. So notice, if I take the price of the stereos times the number of stereos plus the price of the speakers times the number of speakers, I will get the total amount of sales. So that's where I get my other equation. So I'd have 104.95C plus 18.95T equals $6,926.75. Hopefully you can see that this first equation will be much easier to get a variable by itself. So I'm just going to go ahead and solve for T. And I'm going to get T, so I'm going to subtract C from each side. You could solve for C. I'm just choosing to solve for T. 125 minus C. So now I'm going to take this value, what I know T is, and substitute it in for my other equation. I get $104.95 times C plus $18.95 times 125 minus C equals $6,926.75. So the first thing I need to do here is distribute. When I do that, I get 104.95C plus 18.95 times 125 is $2,368.75 minus 18.95C equals my $6,926.75. And notice, even though there are way bigger numbers, the process here is still the same. So I get, when I combine my like terms, I do 104.95 minus 18.95C, so I get 86C plus $2,368.75 equals $6,926.75. So now I need to subtract $2,368.78 from each side. So I get 86C equals, once I do my math here, 4,558. And when I divide each side by 86, I find out that C equals 53. What that tells me is that they sold 53 stereos, which makes it really easy to figure out how many speakers they sold, because I just take 125, because I know they sold 125 total units, minus 53, and I get T equals 72, which means they sold 72 speakers. And you could always go back and check your answer by plugging it back into your equation. That's all there is really for this lesson, just using substitution over and over again. It's something that seems confusing at first, but the more you do it, the more you get used to it and the easier it will become. So don't be discouraged if this seems complicated. We will do plenty of practice in class to make sure you feel confident with that. As always, let me know if you have any